job.
Where?
Sit.
25, 30 miles.
That's a good boy. Yeah.
One of the best things about the Masters Agility Championship is
Upward.
the rock gets walking stomach with fur.
Yeah, they're a lot better. A dog just pushing away from the counter.